everyone, my name is Chef Paisley and today I'm going to show you how to make the 7 Doors Mini Muffins. And I'm going to be using the Disney Princess Cookbook. Hi, let's cook a special treat together. Come on, let's go. First, we'll need a 12-cup pan, a muffin pan. Now we're going to grease it. That was messy. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 375. Now we'll need the dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour. Excuse me, half cup. You can use a leveler or your finger. Okay. We'll have to put the dry ingredients in a little bowl and then a bigger bowl for the wet ingredients because we're going to pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Okay. Now we'll need a half cup of brown sugar. This is gonna be hard. Yeah. We'll need to pack it down. Boop, boop, boop. And you might need a spoon to scoop it out so it's easier. We are not going to be using granulated sugar because it already has brown sugar in it. Let's dump a little bit out. That's a whole lot of sugar. Okay. Now we'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Come on. Okay, that's better. Now we're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, it's gonna be pretty hard to do this, but I got it. Now we're going to need another 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon makes it taste and smell good. Now we are going to move on to the wet ingredients. We will need 1 egg. We have to crack it into a separate container so it has no shells and so we can get it out. Okay. Come on. Yes. Now we are going to do 1/2 cup milk. But first, we need to pour the egg into the big bowl. That is a pretty big bowl. Here comes the 1/2 cup of milk. Now we'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, but melted and cooled, so the eggs don't get scrambled and so it's easier to get mixed up into the batter. That was messy. Now we're going to mix the wet and dry ingredients. Mix it well. And you're probably wondering why we have a clear bowl over here. Well, it's because if there's something not mixed into the batter, we can see it and mix it in. Now we're going to mix the wet ingredients. You'll have to crush the egg. Okay, this is going to get messy. It's time to pour the dry into the wet. Okay, now we'll need a half cup of blueberries. If you use frozen, you have to keep them frozen. Do not thaw them. Okay. Come on, blueberries. Come on, guys, out, out, out. Now we're going to mix it all together. And the good thing about the recipe is they're very simple and not so hard to mix. Now we are going to scoop the muffins. You can use a mini muffin pan like me, or you can use a big one. You'll need to fill the muffin pan about halfway full. You'll have to roll up your sleeves for this one, just like we did with the cookies. Okay, this is kind of fun. Make way for the Blueberry Express. Now we're going to bake the muffins. You'll have to bake them for about 12 minutes. But if you're using a bigger muffin tin, you'll need to bake it a little bit longer, like for 13 to 14 minutes. Okay. Okay, that was good. Ta-da! Look, ribbon. Because it has like a lot of recipes. It's princessy and like magical and it's about cooking. Be very careful with this. Please help. Oh, now I'm gonna close the oven. Hot. You'll have to let the muffins cool a few minutes before you take them out of the pan. Now it's time for my favorite part. The taste test. Okay. So good. They taste like blueberry muffins. Thanks for watching. You can also subscribe on my YouTube channel. Goodbye.